Hi guys, so today I have the honor of helping kick off the Spellbinders Santa and Friends quick and easy card kit. So these were sent, or these items were sent free of charge for my review, and all opinions are my own. Any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. Now, I have not opened this, so I don't know what it looks like, and I'm filming this early so that it's ready for the launch. So let's check this out. This will be fun. I have some idea, oops, sorry, what it'll look like, because I did see a quick little image, but so cute. So it looks like this here, and it is, again, through Spellbinders, Santa and Friends card kit. So let's open this up. Oh, that's cool. I can see there's an adhesive in here, too. Let's bring all these goodies out. So we have a little idea sheet here. Oh, so it's a lot like the October 2020 card kit with the different pieces of Little Santa here, but I have a feeling, yeah, we have our pieces ready, so it's quick and easy, just like it says in the title there. Oh, and there's this little list. So if you guys remember when I did the October 2020 kit, I was looking, I'm like, I don't know what this is. What could this be? And then I was like, it's like a piece of paper, but it didn't click in my mind. It's Santa's list. So we do have that here. Super cute. So all the pieces to make the 10 quick and easy cards. So I love the way they put the little elf here. So we'll check that out obviously in just a minute. We're gonna put those together. Let's see what else is in the kit. Ooh, these are cool. Fashion silver, like half pearls, but half metallic pearls, if you want to call them pearls. We have foam adhesive. I love this kind of foam adhesive because it's all separate and nice, and you only have to pick off that little piece, but I like the way they're easy to use. We have our card bases. Let me see. Yep, they're all card bases, so there's 10 of those. And then a nice little piece of blue matte, possibly just cardstock there. We have the envelopes. And then, yeah, so it is an Easy Glide permanent adhesive runner, and it's refillable. That's really cool. So I can get refills for that. So let me look through this really quickly and we will get started. Okay, so this could not be any easier. We're going to take just a card base just to do one that's, you know, kind of what they're showing here on the idea sheet. And we're going to set up our little Santa wherever we like, and then maybe add some of the other die cut pieces. There's lots of little stars and fun things in here, just so you have a general idea of how to make the basic Santa. And then, or little elf too, we have and friends. So I'm just going to pour everything out so we can have those. Almost everything. And so we have these guys. Oh, so cute. Oh my goodness. Adorable. So this middle piece always needs to pop out there. And I suppose you can mix and match their legs if you want, but you know, you don't have to do that. They did have a couple extras. It says there's a few extra to make other cards or to do them differently or however you want to do that. So that's really cool. Again, I mean, even if you wanted to just do like a decoupage look, you can layer these little guys up. That'd be really cute. So you can work with it different ways. Like we have the full Santa here. Let me see what I want to do. Maybe we can have a little friend and have some Santa legs. Where are those? Here we go. And even though he's just kind of here, Santa can move around a little bit. I think that would be cute. Okay, and then we have banners and other pieces. Lots of extras here. Yay, Christmas is here. Cute. Okay, let me sort through these a little bit better and I'll be right back. First one just like this. Let's just go for it. I'm going to open up the glue runner because it's all here. Basically everything's here that you would need. If you want to do obviously different backgrounds, you can do that. Oh, this is very sturdy. Oopsie. It's very sturdy, super sturdy. Okay. Be careful there. And let's see, let's put this little guy here. And I'm going to stick this down in a minute. We're going to do this one. And all you have to do here is just pop down one of your little pieces here. And I am putting it a little bit towards here. If you just left it kind of in the middle later, his legs are going to fall down. So it's, you know, put it where you want it. So, but make sure it's at the top of his little legs is my tip, because again, if you plan it differently and it falls down, you're like, oh, his legs are too long. Or okay, sorry. So we're going to place that on there, and then we need to put a few more adhesives behind Santa. just clearing his legs, this area. And this should be good. So cute. And really quickly, we've already got one card made. I'm going to put this adhesive on here. So I do want to mention this adhesive, if you look, it's like actual strips. You see that? And they're super, super sturdy and nice and thick, so it's good stuff. And I'll just put him, this little Merry Christmas there. And let's see his little legs. Get it going. It's so cute. So I do like him having a little something to do there. And then you can just decorate the rest with whatever you like. I was thinking about putting a blue star, but I already have blue in there, so let's do a different color. We'll just add a little something here and there. Let me grab... Cute. I'm looking for like a little red star or something like that. Here's a small red. It's about the same size as the other one. Maybe we'll still go with the blue star, just a tiny one. So I'm going to do is grab some paper and we'll do one with like a background color and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I have a little idea. We're going to do something like this. I'm just going to put these to the side for now. And I went ahead and got my Dancing Santa paper pad, which is adorable, to do some matting and layering. And I do want to do like an easel card. So I'm going to take our base here. I'll give you those numbers in just a minute. But I'm going to take the base of the card and just score it like at maybe, let's see, 2 1/4 inches. So that's our score line there. And for now, I'm going to put that to the side. And then I'm going to mat this up. So I have this piece of paper that, some black cardstock that's 4 by 5 1/4. And this is just smaller than that. So this is 3 7/8 by 5 1/8. Okay, so I'm going to mat that right on there. Use some of our... Sorry, I thought I heard one of the kids coming down. And which reminds me, this is great for kids. Because you can, do it as quickly and easily as that first one I showed you, or you can do a little more like this one. Now, since I am using an adhesive that is very, very good, I'm really eyeballing this before I commit. And then on the inside of the card, we're going to do a little something, but we'll do that in just a minute. So this is going to be the part that's going to go on here, so I'm just going to decorate it up before I stick it down. And I think I'm going to use Santa. I was debating if I should pop him up or not, or, do whatever you like. If you want to use more of the dimensional adhesives, which I think I will, just to give it a little more something. So I'm going to put some of these on him and remove the backs, and I'll be right back. So we have him going, and we'll put him in a jaunty little angle. And then we have our little reindeer. I already put some stickies on the back of him, and we need this guy. And we're going to put him wherever we like. Let me see where that might be. That's good. And we remove the back onto that, and then we'll just place him here. And now we've got his little legs that move. Super cute. Let's get these legs going. So cute. Okay, and then we have, I have this I thought it was cute, Believe in Magic, so I'm going to put that one back here. And if you want to pop this one up, if you want it to be even higher than him, you can put double adhesives, and it'll pop up in front of him or on top of him. But I'm just going to tuck this right back in here and put that to the side for now. And then to finish up our card base, I have another piece of that same black cardstock cut down to the same size as that other piece there. I'm trying to see which side I like. So this is Spellbinders cardstock, and it's a little bit rough on one side, a little smoother on the other, so you can pick whichever side you like. It's 4 by 5 1/4. Look at that. That's why I want to see the tape. It's super thick. And I'm going to put that down right here. And I also went ahead and just cut from that extra piece of, after I cut this down, I had a little strip. And so I did this one at 1 1/4 by 5 1/4. Okay, we're just going to stick that down. And then this will be our stopper. So I'm going to put a few different little dimensional adhesives on that, and I'll be right back. Before I stick that down, I'm going to put some adhesive on this part here. To go ahead and take our little guy. And just going to center that. And I'm going to go ahead and give it a fold. We could have done that prior to doing that part, but look at that. So cute. Okay, and then again, I'm using this as the stopper, and I already took the backs off of this, okay? And looks pretty good right there. And there it is. So we need a cute little easel card. Quick on this topper here, and then we still have plenty of these other items, so I'll probably go through and pick out a few of the little stars and some of these little silver embellishments and put them here and there. I can see some around here. I think it'd be really cute. And I will see you guys at the next one. Again, the links are in the description box. Thank you so much, Spellbinders, for sending this item for my review. So super easy. You know, it can be as simple as this or a little more elaborate and really cute. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one. Bye now. Okay, just to share this because I was cleaning up and my son came downstairs and he said, "Mom, whoa, did you make this in 10 minutes? I said, yeah, that's the point of the kit. He's like, whoa, that's too funny. Okay, guys, I just wanted to share that. I thought that was cute. All right, see you at the next one. Bye now.